Instagram emojis and typing indicator not showing. Well, if your emojis and typing indicators are not showing, now as for typing indicators, I can come to my profile page, tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and here I can find a couple of options. So what I can do is I can go to one of these privacy messages option right here. So what I'll do is I'll just go to this option right here that says messages and story replies. Now from here I can go to show activity status and make sure it's turned on, or if not, at least go to show read receipts and turn it on. So when you turn on read receipts, basically it will show when you read them. It will also show the typing indicator with it. And as for the emojis, you can just try to scroll down and see if you see update Instagram option over here or update messaging options. Otherwise, you can try to uninstall it and reinstall it, or check for the latest update of Instagram from your Play Store or your App Store. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.